निकलेंगी मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत, दिल से ना निकलेंगी मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी से भी खुशबुए वफा आएगी। Good evening to one and all present here. My name is Parveen Firdaus. It is my pleasure to deliver a welcome speech on this day. Today we are celebrating Independence Day of our country. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We celebrate it on 15th August. Every year on 15th August 1947, India got freedom from the British rule. Our brave freedom fighters sacrificed their whole life for our freedom. We should be grateful to our heroes. Independence Day is the national festival of India. I would like to speak few words about the great freedom fighter and messenger of peace, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, also known as Bacha Khan and the Frontier Gandhi. He was born in 1890 in what's now Pakistan. A strong believer in non-violence, he dedicated his life to fighting British rules through peaceful means, just like Mahatma Gandhi. He founded the Khidmat.
Chandrasekhar Azad was a brave Indian freedom fighter. He was a part of HSRA, Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. He is involved in many actions like Pokhari train robbery and killing British officers to avenge Lala Lajpat Rai. He is a symbol of bravery and freedom. I would like to end my speech.
सलाम करते हैं मेरे नीचे हिस्से में ये मकाम आता है जो झुककर सलाम करते हैं मेरे नीचे हिस्से में ये मकाम आता है खुशकिस्मत होता है वो खून जो देश के काम आता है Good evening everyone we are celebrating Independence Day and first of all I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today I want to speak about Begum Husnul Mahal. Begum Husnul Mahal was born in 1820 in Faisalabad, Allahabad. Begum Husnul Mahal was India's first female.
न किसी के एहसान में रहते हैं, न हम कोई हिंदू मुसलमान कहते हैं। हम जहाँ साथ रहते हैं बस उसे दिल से हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं। Next, I would like to call Miss Anmol Qureshi on the topic Suraiya Tayyarji, the lady who designed the Indian flag, and make us please come and say about Suraiya Tayyarji. Good evening, everyone. Today I got an opportunity to speak about Suraiya Tayyarji. She played a key role in designing India's national flag, the blue Ashok Chakra that we see in the center of the flag. That was her idea. Suraiya Lohani wanted India to be free. He was brave and went to jail for the country. He wrote nice Urdu poems, one famous poem. Good evening to all amazing people present here. I stand here to talk about how the British took control of India. Jawaharlal Nehru said, freedom is not given, it is taken with courage and unity. Before we got freedom, we remember and salute our freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for our country. Because of their courage, we enjoy the freedom we have. Rafi Ahmad. Rafi Ahmad was a brave and honest leader who played an important role for Indian struggle for independence. He was born in 1894 in Uttar Pradesh. From a young age, he wanted to serve his country and fight against the British rule. He joined the Indian National Congress and worked closely with leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru.